Today we're going to be covering stage 32 vocab. Our first word is ado, adere, addi, additus. It's a third conjugation verb meaning to add, and the definition is right in the word too. Then we have adversus aum. It's a 2-1-2 adjective meaning hostile or unfavorable. And we get an idiomatic expression res adversi, literally a thing of unfavorableness or a misfortune. Aicus aum is a 2-1-2 adjective meaning calm, fair or calm. We have the idiomatic expression aequo animo, calmly or in a calm spirit, literally with a calm mind. Appello, appellare, appellavi, appellatus is a first conjugation verb meaning to call or to call out to. Awis is a feminine third declension noun meaning bird, and this is where we get the word aviary from, and actually aviation is related to it as well. Casus is a masculine fourth declension noun meaning misfortune. So we have two words for misfortune. Res adversi, the things of unfavorableness, and then casus, misfortune. Compono, componere, composui, compositus is a third conjugation verb. It's literally the word cum plus pono, and so cum means with, and pono is place, so it's put with or put together, arrange, settle. Conatus aum is our perfect active participle, but we're going to learn in this chapter that these are parts of the deponent verb. And so while conatus aum means having tried, it's from the verb conor, conari, conatus sum. Conduco, conducere, conduxi, conductus is a third conjugation verb. It's cum plus duco, so to lead with or to hire someone. Converto, convertare, convertere, converti, conversus is a third conjugation verb meaning to turn. Effundo, effundere, effundi, effusus is a third conjugation verb to pour out. You've seen fundo, so it's just the word ex, which means pour, so it's just the word ex plus fundo put together, to pour out of something. Identidem is an adverb, meaning repeatedly. Ignosco, ignoscere, ignovi is another third conjugation verb. It means to forgive, and it's one of these special verbs that takes a dative object as opposed to a regular accusative direct object. So when you forgive something, you have to forgive in the dative. Labor, laboris is a masculine third declension noun. Remember, if it ends in or and it's in the third declension, probably masculine. Means work. It is related to the verb laboro, laborare, laboravi, but this is the noun work. Libertas, libertatis is a feminine third declension noun meaning freedom, related to the word libertus and liber, freedman and freedom and free. Ne quidem is an idiomatic expression meaning not even. Nihilominus is an adverb meaning nevertheless. Opprimo, opprimere, oppressi, oppressus is a third conjugation verb to crush or overwhelm. In the last two forms you can see it, oppression, the crushing of something. Otius laum is a 2-1-2 adjective, means at leisure, idle, on a holiday, on vacation. It's the opposite of negotium. Negotium is business. Otium is vacation or leisure, and this is the adjective describing someone who is at leisure. Pauper, with its genitive form being pauperis, is a type 3 adjective, means poor. So it's the opposite of dives, which we've seen in a previous chapter. Permotus aum is a 2-1-2 adjective meaning alarmed or disturbed. You can literally see it's moved through. Per meaning through, motus meaning move, so move through or alarmed. Profectus aum is another perfect active participle, or, as we're going to learn, deponent verb. It means having set out, and it's from progredior, progredi, profectus sum. Quia is a conjunction, means because. So we've seen quod before, now we have quia. Quidam, quidam, quodam is a pronoun, and it's one or certain, and it's literally the forms of qui, quae, quod, plus dom. So the dom never changes, but this first part does change. Skindo, skindere, skiddy, skisus is a third conjugation verb meaning to tear up, or to cut. You can see the word scissor in this one. Secutus aum is another perfect active participle, or deponent verb, meaning having followed, and it's from sequor, sequi, secutus sum. Strenue is an adverb, meaning hard or energetically. It's from strenuous, the adjective strenuous. Subvenio, subvenere, subveni is a fourth conjugation verb, meaning to help or to come to help. All right, you can see the word. If you remember venio, venire, veni, you should be able to figure out the principal parts of this word, no problem. Subtiosus is a 2-1-2 adjective meaning expensive, lavish, costly. Versus is another 2-1-2 adjective. There's a lot of them here. Means true or real. And re vera is a in fact or truly or really. It's literally in the real thing. So that's our vocab for stage 32. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.